This video will cover how to add an Echo 360 link to your Blackboard course. First, navigate to the Content view in your Blackboard course. Click the Books and Tools option on the right. Scroll through the list until you see the Echo 360 option, then click the plus icon beside it. You can also find this option by clicking the plus symbol in the Content view, clicking on the Content Market option, then scrolling through the list until you locate the Echo 360 option. Once the Echo 360 link has been added to your course, click on it. You may be prompted to select whether you want your Echo 360 course section to be under a current or an upcoming term. If so, choose your desired term from the drop-down menu, then click Create Echo 360 section. You will be taken into a new Echo 360 section that was created and connected to the link in your Blackboard course. From here, you can begin using the Echo 360 section for your course. If you delete an Echo 360 link from your Blackboard course after having an Echo 360 section already created for it, then once you re-add a new Echo 360 link to that same course and click on it, then select your term, you will be taken to the following screen. Here you can either choose to reconnect your previously created Echo 360 section to your link, or choose to have a new section created for your link. In this instance, we're going to choose an existing section homepage. Once you've made your selection, click the Continue button. Your Echo 360 course section has now been linked to your Blackboard course.